Hi, my name is Jeff, and I'm 61 years old, and I was diagnosed with a sarcoma cancer. From what I'm told, it's kind of rare. It's less than 1% of all the cancers. And one of the reasons I chose coming to Utopia was because last year, July of 2016, I found a person who guided me through the process of getting rid of my MS. And from everything I had heard from the doctors, that you can treat the symptoms, but you can't get rid of the disease. Well, I followed her plan, and within 3 months, my body had healed. I no longer had nerve pain or muscle pain, and I got well again. And from October of 2016 until I was diagnosed in May 2017 with cancer, I was living very well and feeling like a normal person again. When I got that diagnosis of cancer, it kind of knocked me back a little bit, and I did go to a regular cancer hospital locally, and I got their treatment plan, and after I saw it and researched it, I decided I was going to go the natural approach for my cancer as well. I knew that the body can heal very quickly given the right food, supplements, and care. So I had no doubt. I did some research, and I was looking for about 5 or 6 different treatments that I had decided that I needed, but I didn't want to travel all from one place to the next. I wanted to get something that would work for me, and they would have it all here for me. So I went for the interview and a consultation with Dr. Garcia, and there was some things that he said to me that, especially about the mind and the body connection, that I really didn't get. I was really only interested in healing the body of the cancer. I wasn't, it's too much into the mind thing, but I pretty much said, yes, I'll work on the mind. Yeah, and I really wasn't going into it. I did not really believe that the mind was so important to the healing process, because like I said, I healed myself of MS and I healed just the body. I didn't delve into the mind issue, so to speak. Well, in the first week, I met with the doctor. I met with Jake, and he's the psychiatrist, and I told him, I said, I really buy in on all the treatments, but the part that I don't really buy in on is the mind issue. And I have to tell you, for me, the biggest progress that I made personally was when I did start looking back at my past, and I determined through some guidance that I was a control freak. And a major part of my stresses was because I thought that I could be in control of everything. Not just for myself, but my family, my friends, my workers, and that determination that I was not even in control of myself, nor could I be in control of anybody else, and letting that go was a major breakthrough for me. And in addition, I came to the realization that I came to this place to be cured of cancer, and what really happened was I was cured. I wouldn't call it of a mental health issue. I wasn't, a bipolar or anything like that, but I had some major baggage from my past as a child until I was into my late teens, from dealing with my father, and I didn't realize how deep I had buried that. But when that came up and I dealt with it, then I almost within weeks transformed from a very controlling person to a very caring person, I was able to have really good conversations with other patients here at the facilities, the staff. Is when everything started clicking that no, I'm not in control. No, these issues that I thought I had a wonderful childhood, no, I didn't have such a wonderful childhood. But as crazy as all this might seem, I was able to take care of my, I'll call them the issues with my mind, with my body, and that's when I started having a miraculous turnaround. As far as the treatment is concerned, the treatments have all been wonderful. The only week that I have felt bad here was the week that I had my dental work done. And you might think that there's no need to have the dental work done. You don't see any connection, but believe me, trust me, I've taken a look at a tooth that had a root canal pulled. Thing was decaying inside in my mouth. So yes, you do need to have those things removed because it is causing an infection, and your body your immune system only has so much bandwidth to work with to heal the cancer. If it's dealing with another infection, it cannot deal with two infections at the same time. And as far as the mental perspective, you're thinking, well, that's way out there too. But look at the mental issues as toxins as well. They're toxins on your mind, on your brain, and your body has to deal with that too. And there again, it's another toxin. So you might think you don't have any issues, but for me, that was the key. I came in here because I knew I could heal my body. I knew without a doubt I could do that. I saw no relevance whatsoever to the mind aspect, and I really discounted the fact that we'd have to have root canals or dental work done. I didn't see too much bearing on that. But trust me, those two items, the mind and the infections that you could possibly have, you've got to deal with. Once you do, and you get your immune system back in tip-top shape, your immune system will deal with the cancer. You don't have to worry about that. Let your immune system take care of it. But you will have to put in some work to get your immune system working optimally again. So I know when you watch this testimonial, you're going to think it might be a little out there. If I were to look back 8 weeks ago, and I would have given a testimonial at that point, I would have came in here saying, just give me the treatments, just heal my body, that's all I care about. Give me the vitamin C, give me the hyperbaric chamber, give me the infrared sauna. I don't care about the rest. But I'm here to tell you, if you want to make the most out of these treatments, you got to give it your all. Your heart, your mind, your body, and get that immune system working again, and boom, let your body and your immune system take care of it. Well, I hope this was somewhat educational. I hope it is, because I tell you what, if anybody ever asks me where to go to get well, as a matter of fact, my mom comes here for rheumatoid arthritis treatments. So I already did refer somebody that's most dear to me in my life. So I hope you find this interesting, and it's from the heart. So I'm not a professional paid speaker. Thank you.